Choosing the right engine oil is one of the most important decisions to keep your car's engine running smoothly and efficiently. But with so many options like 5W30, 20W50, 10W40, 0W20, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. In this video, we'll break down the 5 key benefits of multi-grade engine oils, explain the different types of engine oil, and discuss the dangers of using the wrong oil for your car. But before we continue, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our video. Let's get started. Here are 5 importance of multi-grade engine oil types. Number 1. All-season performance. Multi-grade oils, for example 5W30, 10W40, etc., are designed to perform efficiently across various temperatures. The W rating indicates how the oil flows at cold temperatures, while the second number, for example 30 or 50, refers to its viscosity at higher temperatures. For instance, 5W30 flows easily in cold temperatures, winter, while providing adequate lubrication and protection when the engine is hot. This dual-range viscosity helps cars start in cold weather and maintain good lubrication in high-temperature conditions. Number 2. Improved fuel efficiency. Lighter multi-grade oils like 0W20 and 5W20 provide less resistance, lower viscosity in cold temperatures and under normal engine conditions, reducing the engine's workload. This can improve fuel efficiency because the engine doesn't need to work as hard to pump the oil. This is particularly beneficial for modern engines designed for low viscosity oils. Number 3. Reduced engine wear. Multi-grade oils adapt to changing temperatures and maintain optimal viscosity, protecting against excessive engine wear. For example, 20W50 is thicker at high temperatures, offering protection under heavy loads and in high-performance vehicles, reducing wear and tear on engine components. Number 4. Enhanced engine protection. By maintaining appropriate lubrication in both hot and cold environments, multi-grade oils ensure that critical engine parts like pistons, camshafts, and bearings are protected from metal-on-metal contact, which can cause long-term damage. A well-formulated oil such as 10W40 can prevent thermal breakdown under extreme driving conditions. Number 5. Increased oil longevity. Multi-grade oils, such as 5W40, are formulated with additives that resist oxidation, thermal breakdown, and sludge formation. This ensures that the oil remains effective for longer, reducing the need for frequent oil changes and extending engine life. Now that we understand the importance of multi-grade oils, let's examine the different types of engine oils available. Number 1. Conventional oil. This is basic oil that works in engines designed for lower performance and is suitable for older vehicle models. Number 2. Synthetic oil. Provides superior performance and protection, especially in extreme conditions. Synthetic oils like 5W40 are engineered for high performance and modern engines. Number 3. High mileage oil. Designed for vehicles with over 75,000 miles, this oil helps reduce leaks and minimize wear on aging engine components. Number 4. Synthetic blend oil. A mix of conventional and synthetic oils, offering improved performance at a lower cost than full synthetics. Number 5. Diesel engine oil. Formulated for diesel engines, this type of oil provides additional cleaning agents and additives to handle the different combustion properties of diesel engines. Using the wrong oil for your car can lead to severe problems. Here are 5 dangers of using unspecified engine oil. Number 1. Increased engine wear. Using the wrong oil viscosity can result in poor lubrication, causing excessive friction between moving parts. For example, using a thicker oil like 20W50 in a car that requires 5W30 can lead to higher wear on components during cold starts. Number 2. Reduced fuel efficiency. Thicker oils than recommended create more resistance within the engine, causing it to work harder. This can lead to higher fuel consumption and reduced efficiency. Number 3. Engine overheating. Oils with a viscosity that is too low or too high for the engine can fail to lubricate parts, leading to excessive heat and overheating properly. If you use 0W20 in an engine that requires 10W40, the oil may break down too quickly under high temperatures, leading to engine damage. Number 4. Increased oil consumption. Unspecified oils may lead to leaks or oil burning, especially in engines designed for specific viscosity grades. An engine requiring high viscosity oil may consume thinner oils like 5W20, causing you to add oil more frequently. Number 5. Void warranty and expensive repairs. Most manufacturers specify the type of oil used in their engines. Using the wrong oil can void the warranty, and you may face costly engine repairs due to damage caused by improper lubrication. Always choose the right oil for your engine to keep your car running smoothly. Multi-grade oils like 5W30 or 10W40 offer year-round protection, enhanced engine performance, and longer oil life. Consult your car's manual for the manufacturer's recommended oil type. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the subscribe button for more car care tips. Thanks for watching.